Hi, welcome to my channel about embedded systems, fischertechnik and robotics. This video is focused on my robotic arm with pneumatic hand. And if you've seen my series on this topic before, then you know that I have a lot of problems here. Wrist, pitch of the arm, pitch of the hand. Well, pitch of the arm not so much, because that's right here. Also the sensors here, but primarily the wrist. And I thought I had it fixed. 2 videos ago I did a major reconstruction, and last time I found out that the tension of the chain, the wrist chain, which makes it move like this, is still not on tension. And once upon a time it did work flawlessly, and it takes some force to get the switch done. The switch which is right here somewhere, but no longer. So, do I ever get it fixed? Well, I'm not giving up on it. So, here goes once again, and change to screencast. With 5 terminals active. Top left, obviously external camera. Bottom left is the hand camera. Then in the middle is the FT diagnostic interface, and obviously the other ones are the coder terminal and the execution terminal. Also open but not visible are 3 schematics, being the 2 interfaces and the external interface. The focus is right here. So let me enlarge this window. And sharpen the image a little bit, if possible. Yep. What's the problem? Well, last time, and I ended with that, I think, is the tension of this chain. And if I pull it outwards, then the tension is good. So why is the tension not good now? I think primarily because of such a sliding position. And if I want to change that, because this is everywhere in fischertechnik, sliding positions. If I want to change that, I will have to take it all apart. Do I want that? Not really. But I will have to find out why it happens anyway. So I'm going to have to deconstruct everything to see what I can change, how I can change it, and if I can improve it, because that is obviously the goal. Anyway, let's take this apart once again. Apart from thinking about a deconstruction, I am thinking about something quite different. And then I'll have to take this cable away for a moment, although it won't cooperate with that. But this part that is intended to keep all this down, it is sliding over this notch that I've put here. And if I want to keep this like this position rotated or pushed outward for the tension of the chain, I could also use the arm itself to make some construction that pushes this knot outwards. And the only question is how to do that. So I'll have to think of a way to get that done, and I might just have an idea. Another thing is that this part is firmly connected to the base of the arm, or to the arm itself. So either I push it away or I pull it away, but the effect is the same. So I can remove this when I connect it to that one. And actually, and that is the whole thing, this is also firmly connected to this one. So it all comes together. The big question is, this is, as you can see, quite flexible. will it be rigid, more rigid, when I connect it like that? Because it's not this part, it is this part that's the problem. So a more rigid way would be like this, instead of this. It gets complicated. Prime condition for any solution on this is that there is no sliding in that direction. So if I take, for example, this piece, it has to be in this direction, not like this, because this is sliding and this is blocking. So in that perspective, this is a good solution. Is it flexible? Apparently yes. Is it holding? Yes. Is it good enough? No, because there's no tension. Or there is no tension, not enough tension anyway. So, while this is in a way good, it's not good enough. Will this be good enough? Yeah, but there's another problem, which is that this is in a position that is interfering with this one. Do I want to keep this? Yes. So I have to find a solution that goes in this way, and then you already think like this to slide things up, and that's not the idea, which makes it not any easier in this perspective. So once again, how can I do this regarding the distance limitations and like this for a solution? A third option is to use this combination right here, because this part is firmly connected to everything. And what I didn't think about at first is that it should not interfere with this part, because this is completely connected to the wrist. But this is the hand and this is moving up and down, so everything that holds this should not be coinciding with this. Anyway, if I manage to connect this part with this holding block and this sliding over this notch, then it also prevents the motor to slide out. So let me try to get that done, and I hope that everything is firmly connected then, but only testing will find if that's true. And to my disappointment, it doesn't work out that well. I'm getting one length of an element short. So despite that it is mounted, it's not mounted, it's not connected. And the other ways, I am not confident that those will work. So what to do now? Well, obviously removing the proposed solution, if possible. Yes, it is possible. Let it fall down. Doesn't matter right now. Taking it out. Taking everything out completely. And there we are in the same situation, almost the same situation. Sorry for movement of the camera. And either this one to block everything, or this one to block everything. This is smoother. So I'm still in the old situation. Which brings me to the following, something I didn't plan to. I noticed that this sensor is still without extra LED. So that's what I'm going to end with. Leaving this part still unstable. Well, not unstable, but this chain still without tension. But I will make up something. When taking this LED with resistor and connecting this with the plus, which is the middle connection, and then to this ground, it lights up, which is wrong because the sensor is not pressed. So I have to look at the wires to which connection on the interface it is connected. In comes then this one. It is the wrist connection sensor, and then I have to change direction, or schematics anyway. Switch, pivot, and that's the one, and that goes to external I3, because this one is connected to I3 external. So I probably have to rewire. Let's take a look at it and then see if that's indeed the solution. So looking at this, it is indeed the other way around. So let me switch the connections. This one right here. Move the camera back. Hopefully positioned correctly. I think that will do. Camera down. And now let's see if it still works out. So LED side in the plus and this part here. Now it doesn't do anything. So I will have to press. So let me turn the hand so it is getting impressed. Well, I have to do it by hand then. And now it is working. So that was a correct rewiring. And all I have to do now is connect it firmly in here. But how to do this? Well, just bend a wire around it, because I have to solder it. And that's another operation. I have literally bent the mouse wire around the other mouse wire, and now this is at least the nice result. Alright, what I start with not going to work the way I intend. Shall I take another turn? I want to close it with a nice way, but the way this is constructed, and I'm of course looking here at this now with a much higher position. Camera down. I'm still not sure if even my ideas apart from this failure would work out. Tried so many things, nothing works out. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, click the bell for notification, like the video. Also, you can follow me via Twitter and Instagram, and you can support via PayPal, Ko-fi, and by becoming a patron. Please take a look at my website, which is listed under this video, for more interest in fischertechnik, robotics and embedded systems projects. And this is obviously going to be continued. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.